When you're out on the farm, you gotta start somewhere. Well folks, this is what we're starting off with. 85, 86 Checkmate Enchanter. We have one hell of a trailer down there. It's a beautiful boat though, just needs a little bit of work. Definitely needs a new motor. It's 84 VMAX 220. 6. Got one dead hole. Half the electronics are missing. It is a really cool motor, but I'm not able to get it going with the time that I have. Here's a sad moment. This motor is so rare. It's so hard to find parts for. I just cannot put it together the way that I want it to and make it run properly. And also sad because nobody seems to know about this motor or care about it at all. I tried selling it for $100 and no bites. Not even for $100. Nobody really knows anything about these old outboards. So we're gonna put the old Johnson on her. Runs good. Got it for cheap, so can't complain. The boat itself, 20 foot or so. As we proceed, we will find out more about the boat and what it's all about. But it does have a really solid hull. There's not a lot going on as far as hull damage or anything like that. It's just the trailer looks like shit. Basically everything's shit right now. The interior is shit. Everything's shit. But we will get it lined up and this thing will be beautiful. Hanging off a deal life, aren't you? Oh. Well, you know your boat's not sitting right on the whatever trailer this thing's for when you pull the huge motor off the back and it's still bow up. Damn, this thing is for like a cabin cruiser or something. Like, look at the space we got in there. I might be able to just drop this rear bunker down and angle the boat up because I noticed that the boat's sort of sitting higher at the back than it is about. I don't know, kind of seems crazy to me, but why throw away a perfectly good trailer? Look at that thing, it's beautiful. When you're out on the farm, you gotta start somewhere. So like I could just run into town and grab the right tools. Work with what you got. Poor old ratchet. Ow! Dang it! You stuck on there good. Sweet rules owl. Just get out of there, you damn tire. Get. And in the end, man always relies on nature when they are in dire need. So, cleaned her out a little bit. Rotten wood. But the material itself, not bad. We're gonna try to preserve this, save it, even with these seats here. No tears, just really sort of, never mind. There's a tear. Disregard that, but all in all, not bad. So we're gonna try to preserve as much as we can here. There's that seat down there. Again, there's actually no tears in that. It just needs a new bottom. Rip this interior all out so we can recarpet this bad boy. It needs a new dash trim there for sure. I'm putting all new gauges in it anyway, so let's rip it apart. Oh, it's just me here, so I can't get any footage of the actual work that's being done, but we're getting her gutted. We're getting her gutted good. The whole box of the truck there is full of shit there, Digger. Yeah, that's a lot of nastiness going on there. A couple cool things. Got a fire extinguisher that's fully charged. And I believe that is registration paper. I think we know where this belongs. Good, we are getting there. She's starting to come together. There's a floor, all fiberglass, looking really good. Nice and smooth, can't tell right now, but it's smooth. Mint. We got the old girl rigged. The Johnson controller. She's a beauty. Battery, trim box. Ready to put the Johnson on. Old Seahorse 150. Got her all mounted, and before we go any farther, might as well make sure this stupid old thing runs. And there's been a bit of cranking here, but got a little bit of life somewhere. First time out, got the Johnson. Yeah, he gets to drive it first time. All right.
Move your motor, come up, look how much higher the motor can
Outboard life. At least it's a nice evening though, right? Hey, we did have a great day on this boat, but well, we're still having a good day, so it's all good.